Hey guys, this is Richard again, and today I want to talk about my clutch bracket for the 99 to 06 manual transmission, guys. So if you've had one of these trucks for any length of time, you'll recognize this piece. It's the piece that holds the clutch pedal to the dash. This obviously doesn't have the pedal in it. But a really common failure point is right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's where the stock master cylinder, clutch cylinder attaches to the bracket. And this whole thing is plastic. Otherwise it's fine, but that piece is just not going to work. All right, and so the reason for that is the way the stock one is shaped. You kind of insert it, then you turn it. And so when you do that, there's only, these corners holding it in, and it puts a lot of stress on those little parts. I'm not sure if the best way to see it. But so this is a really common problem, and this is a pain in the butt to fix because you have to take the entire dash apart. So a guy sent me this and asked me to make something better, and so I made a all metal one. Back up a little more. Uses the stock pedal, which I already have installed here because I test fit all of them before they leave. This is entirely 1/8" steel, laser cut, welded all on the inside, just about everywhere. Very strong. And so the key part, right, is the end right here. I don't know if that's in focus. And so this, obviously being 1/8" steel, not sure if that comes out, is obviously much stronger than the plastic one. And so to install it the exact same way. I'll do it with one hand. Very snug. Just put it in and turn it. And I'm not going to crank it down, but you get the idea. So on the back here, I use a grade 10.9 12mm bolt. And it sits on a couple of these little bushings that actually hold the pedal in place, like this, one on each side. This is a very, very strong setup. I've made a couple that use different master cylinders, like the Tick one, for instance. But I've never had one break, so my success rate is pretty good. And I think this is a pretty cool piece if you have a manual transmission truck and you don't want to have to worry about breaking this bracket, especially if you have a heavier clutch or you just like to drive really aggressively or whatever. Or if you're doing like a T56 swap or a different swap, I think this is a good piece to have. And I can make this distance really any length you want, or a different attachment point if you want, because the stock one uses the twist one, whereas other ones generally have a bolt-in deal. So yeah, thought this was pretty cool. Just want to show you guys. Thanks.